My beautiful friends, let's make card number 17. If you haven't seen the previous one, which is this one, go and check it out. For today's project, I thought about old book page, some stencil and a focal point, a little bit of color, that's it. I really wish you to be willing to try actually and make a card, because I think a lot of you didn't even start the challenge. And you know what? You can do anytime. If you never did the Maremi Jumbo Cards challenge, you have to try it out. And I think today's project is really for everyone, because all we need is the old book page, as you can tell, that is going to be on my background for the card. So here is that, and I'm going to have, I don't know, vertical, horizontal. I think I'm gonna just stick with this, like something like that. There we go. I love it like this. I'm going to add some clear gesso on top as well, so that way we can do a little bit of coloring with hopefully maybe these paints. This is Kuretake Watercolors pastel set. Absolutely phenomenal. My old stencil, I love it. I love the brick. It's always good. The brick one is just fantastic. And lastly, I really think I just wish for some beautiful little fairy girl, boy, whichever, from either this book or maybe from this one, which is the forest one. Maybe the forest one. Oh, like one of these. Imagine like the size wise. She's so beautiful. Basically my idea is to, oh, gorgeous, he could be gorgeous. Basically my idea is for you to really try it, really do something. Or maybe, actually maybe we do our animal or something. Oh, she could be cute as well. It's actually such a difficult, actually we never thought about moth. How about if we do moth? Oh, yes, what about if we do it? This one, and it would be like standing out. Oh, go on. Why not? Because I always think about the, oh, wait a second. Maybe we'll do this one and these two. Oh, this is it. This is it. We are going to jump in for two moths, one under another. Beautiful, stunning. Yes, please. Okay, so you see, sometimes the idea just hits you like that, boom, and you have it. And why not? So we're gonna have small and larger one under each other. I'm not sure. Do you know what? Wouldn't that be amazing to have actually star stencil? Let me find one. I'm going to just cut it out like that, like that. I promised myself to be back to do another card straight after this one. Actually, honestly, this one is not even yet posted. Whenever you're watching today's video, which is this one, this is definitely posted. But me, while I record today's one, this is not posted yet. I'm gonna edit it today. And it's been a few days. I promised myself to get back to it far faster. But you know, guys, life happens, right? And it's okay. It's just okay if things just don't go as you wish, because sometimes just things go in your way. Right now we are packing a lot of rice paper orders going to actually USA, which is Joggles already there, but we're gonna have New Zealand store, we're gonna have Australian store carrying our rice paper. So we're working very hard on that, to be honest. So this is taking a big chunk of our time, because we just wish to, oh, excuse me, this is not sharp at all. We just wish to have it and available for you guys. So this has been on our agenda. Is that the right way to say agenda? The last couple of days to make sure, oh, perfect. To make sure, oh, and a puppy is outside. I need to bring her in. To make sure that you have the rice papers available to you, and yeah, so that's why. But that's okay, I think. So star stencil is going to be fantastic. I will fussy cut some of these. Lovely. I have the Agateria stencil, which is beautiful. I never used it, but I love stars. I love all stars stencils, to be honest. So this is another one for the collection. Not too many stars ever. Never too many stars, never too many stencils. And before anything, I'm gonna grab clear gesso and just jump in with the layer of clear gesso, because this way I can actually I can actually leave this to dry and fussy cut our moths. And this is a beautifully primed project now, beautifully primed base. Now the idea, my friends, is to start. Please, I'm sure if you don't have moths, why don't you just try some butterflies? I'm sure you have something. You have to, like, I can't believe it you don't. So we have the base primed. We are going to do stenciling. But not only that, I'm going to have the moths being fussy cut, but I also will actually attach it to the paper because I really wish them to be thicker. So a lot of messages. Sorry, I didn't turn off my messenger. Actually, school just rang me a second ago. Emily's school, just like literally before I started recording. And you know when you see the school is ringing and your child is in school and you're like, what happened? But thankfully nothing. That was my first question. Something happened to Emily. Oh no, actually no, not at all. I was like, whew, because that's my first thought, that something just bad happened, you know. School don't ring you like that. But she did. She's the new person to mind the kids and all, as in like a year ahead or something. And she just wanted to say hi to the parents and, you know, ask how things are, if everything is okay. So that was a little bit of, oopsie, that was a little stressful, I'll be honest with you. I was like, oopsie, what is going on there? This is not dry enough. I just will spread this more. Now this is going to dry. In the meantime, grab yourself some moths, butterflies, preferably moths, but butterflies, fussy cut. Let's get back to it in a second. My beautiful friends, I am always honest with you. I show you how things are. And here is one of those moments where I just don't like this background. I deleted the part and I decided to start again and just have my base ready once more. Sometimes it just doesn't work and it's okay, and I'm here to show you it doesn't always work for me. It's just sometimes I'm looking at it and I just don't like it genuinely, and sometimes I just feel that you can't save it, or you know, and instead of saving it fully and thinking that this is going to help, I'm like, no, let's just do it again. Like, I like the idea that it's here, which is kind of vintagey vibe. I love it. And I had this kind of feel for this background, which it just didn't work here, and I don't like it, and I'm not gonna continue with it. But I'm going to do something different. I'm going to actually grab, instead of watercolors, I'm going to grab inks, because I think the inks could be so nice here. The color here, for example, it's lovely. So let's just try to have a little bit of inking like here and do a little bit of mixing and matching these. Now this is a delicate pinky. I'm going to be very gentle about that color, like really, 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 you know, subtle, like really, really delicate. Because like it's there. Oh, I love it. I already like it, you see. I just think it's okay fully to say goodbye to something that we just didn't like. It's okay. I'm fully happy to say it. It just didn't work. I'm going to grab maybe, ooh, this pink, this green, and it looks nice. 1 second, actually, for whatever reason the red one has. Oh, there we go. It's going to be beautiful. I can tell straight away, because it just, I don't know, it's just, there we go. It's just so nice straight away. Okay, now I feel that it would be nice to have, well, this slightly more green and darker, maybe, perfect. But then I feel there is another, maybe this green, which, oh, that could be nice together with this one. Yes, why not? And I feel like this time, weirdly enough, a little bit of brown, but but before that I'm going to jump in with slightly more pink, even more pink. Sorry, you can't see. Oh, there we go. That is straight away nicer, you know. It's just this didn't feel right, and I'm here to show you. If it doesn't feel right, it is not right. I have very little space on the desk recently, I realized, and that's not okay. Okay, a little bit of yellow, because why not? Okay, so that's that. I'm tempted with this one, the mahogany color, is it? And maybe it's this one. I'm like, ooh, like really edgy. Ooh, that is nice. You see? I'm gonna do the same here. Look. That is like, there we go. You know, it's just sometimes I feel. So I'm happy to do it, and I hope that you are going to be like, yay! Marta's also sometimes making little silly, you know, silly moves, and I am sometimes making those silly moves. Now, how about that ground espresso? Too much. 1 second. Oh. 1 second. Maybe I'm able to somehow. That's okay. Somehow make it now. And I'm thinking, oh, I love it even more here. I'm thinking about those, you know, splatters. The splatters, and then lifting the color with the towel. So let's see. Let's try. My desk is filled with stuff that shouldn't be even here, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to grab this. That's okay. Okay, and yeah, let's see. This should lift. Oh, beautiful. This should lift. There we go. The color so nicely, don't you think? Oh my daisy do. So, like, if you compare this, you know what I mean? It's just, look, maybe you will understand what I mean. It's not bad, but this brings the actual images stand out more. It just works like a dream, like, I think. And I also feel that it would be fabulous maybe to make some splatters with the pink, weirdly enough, on top of that. Maybe actually on top of here. How is this? Let's see. Because our moths are slightly, this is that one, slightly, oh yes, 1 second, slightly pinky. Ooh, yeah, love it. And the white one, which I think would be lovely to add on top of our moths as well. Let's try this. My hot glue is on, so let's see. We're gonna have this one like here roughly, and this one maybe. Oh, and I am still thinking that it would be so fantastic if we could have, this is going to be like stand out a little bit, like a 3D-ish, and it would be so nice to have some text. And I may try to see if I can, oopsie. Lucky me, it landed where it's supposed to land. Okay, and the white splatters, because we love white. I love white splatters. I think recently someone asked why, and I'm like, and the person said, I don't understand how this all brings together. And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe it is just me. I love it. For me, it's not a snow. It's just something, and I love. Oh, I love that black splatters as well. So how about we're gonna try and get some black splatters with this one as well. gently because because it's black, right? Oh wow, look at this. I'm going just the corners, can you see? Oh, do you know what? I'm actually fearing it's going to be more, and it's so beautiful right now. I love how this corresponds with the bigger moth. Look at it. It's gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I love the black splatter addition. Now the text, I have an idea. I think it's fun. I cut it in half. Don't forget to fly. And the fact that they are like together, you know? Don't forget to fly. Don't forget to fly. I love it. I love it. Okay, are we adding this as, I think, as a little hot glue? 1 second. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Forget to fly. Beautiful. And don't. Alright, my beautiful friends, card number 17. I hope it's giving us all permission to change our mind if we don't like something about our project. I think it's totally fine. Now it's still a little bit wet with the splatters, but I hope you can see how absolutely gorgeous it turned. If you're wondering about the ink, this is acrylic ink Sennelier Abstract. I don't know, I got it probably, I actually can't remember, certainly years ago. Could be that part of some calendar or part of some, I don't know, I just have it, I can't remember. But you don't need anything as fancy as this, because I think like this brand probably is cheaper. This one is brown one, but I'm sure it has a calligraphy ink. It has some black as well, but it is very black, I must say. Sorry, and it does give this vibe of kind of like a nighttime, I don't know if you know what I mean. It's just so magical, and that black is really black, which is great as well. My beautiful friends, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you so much for watching. As always, a pleasure to be in your homes. Don't forget to fly, spread your wings and fly high. I love you loads, but I have to go. Till the next time, happy crafting, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.